one of my regular viewers has sent me an email pointing this issue out here. Look at the text that's in here. This has been put in by YouTube. Right, this is the automatic subtitles that gets put in when they transcribe the videos when you upload them. And yeah, thanks a lot YouTube for sticking these words in there. I'm not going to repeat them because I don't want to ping this video for putting these words in it, right? For obvious reasons, because it's already on my channel. Now this is a recent video. How long has this been going on for? Because I've been having issues with my channel this year. Instead of growing exponentially like it was, it's actually been shrinking as far as the number of subscribers and views I've been getting. Now I was actually getting constant growth, so every month it's going up a little bit more. You know, I was sort of getting 400 or 500 subscribers, maybe 600 subscribers a month. Right now I'm down to 260 a month right now, and it's actually going down and down and down. Now I'm wondering if it's something to do with this YouTube transcription pinging all my videos, and because it's got these words in it or associated with the video, that they're not promoting them, or they're not pushing my videos out to everyone, or holding my channel back. So I do know that with hate speech, stuff like that, they will not promote you, right? Because that's not a great thing to be promoting, and I can understand that completely. I don't disagree, but for them to be suggesting these particular words on my own videos, why would they choose that word? I mean, why? You know. So I'm sitting here now going through all my videos and clicking on this and clicking that and going through each one individually, because I cannot see any way of doing a bulk delete of all the transcriptions, subtitles, or captions, whichever one you want to call it, because they've got three. You got transcriptions, subtitles, and captions. That's what they call them. So which one is it? You know, they can't decide even on their own page which one they're going to use. Pick a terminology, YouTube. That's ridiculous. Anyway, so I'm sitting there one by one, going through, deleting them, because yeah, it's taken me about an hour so far, and I've still got quite a way to go. So I thought I'd share that with you. Catch you later.